everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. So in this video, we're going to explain how to create a fixed swap auction. So fixed swap auction is one of the most commonly used auction type on Bounce Finance. So firstly, let's look at some document about what it is the meaning of the fixed swap auction. So Bounce Finance have this website, Bounce Docs, which explains all types of auctions and have some user guidance about how to create and participate in the auction. So if you have time, you can check it out on your own. So for today, we look at a fixed swap auction. So what is fixed swap auction? It's basically you set a limit price and the auctioneer and the participant agree to execute tokens based on this swap ratio. It's more like a limit order, and it's based on first come first serve. So I think you can just think this as a limit order auction, and also the Bounce have a documentation about how to create this auction. But in this video, I'm going to demonstrate you how to create in the video. So here is a Bounce Finance testnet on Rinkibai. As you can see, we have five different sections, and bear in mind there are actually a lot of types of fixed swap auctions on Bounce, and the difference between them is if you create one under each section, the auction pool actually falls into that section. So if you're on token sale, you will create an auction for token sale. So make sure you're on the right section you want to create an auction for, otherwise you will consume your time or might even waste your time to set up the auction that is not appropriate. So the first step to create a fixed swap auction is click the create auction button on the right hand side and select fixed swap pool and confirm. So now you are entering this creation form, which is quite important to learn. So the first big part is contract information. This is where you will enter your token contract, and you can for ERC20 users, I think most people are familiar with EtherScan, so you can get your token information from EtherScan. So here I'm copying the token I'm going to use for test. So when you copy and paste this token contract address, the token information will automatically load it with token symbol and token decimals. And here you can select different types of currencies. So this means if you select Ethereum, you'll be saying, okay, I want to sell my token and I want to receive Ethereum. And there are a lot of pairs. I mean, it's based on different uses. Some people prefer USD and some people prefer Bitcoin or the Wi-Fi token. And here's the swap ratio, which is the currency swap ratio that you want people to participate in the pool. This is the limit price you will set. So for the demonstration purpose, I will set 1 Ethereum equals 1 baht. And the next thing you need to view is how much token you want to sell. So say I want to sell 2 tokens, and just bear in mind this Bounce level is a customized feature on Bounce. So this means the maximum total allocation you will receive based on the number you enter above. So let's take an example. If you change it to 1, this Bounce level will change to 1, which basically means which basically you will maximum get 1 Ethereum if your pool is fully filled. And if you change to 2, which is basically you will receive 2 Ethereum if 2 of your BOT token got sold. And next thing you will enter is this allocation per wallet. and you can set your allocation per wallet to reduce whales activity. Here for demonstration purpose, I will set to no limit. And you can choose participant, and if you want to set up a private pool, you can simply enter password. And for this one, I will just do a public pool. And pool name is a customized feature which help your user to find your pool. So here, let's say bounce 1. And the pool running time is basically how long your auction will be run for. And bear in mind that if there are actually a lot of people come to your auction, the pool running time, the pool will close before running time, because if your allocation are all sold, your pool will be automatically closed. So let's say I set it for 1 hour. So make sure to double check everything when you finish entering, and if everything looks right, just click launch. And here is a warning message which say you cannot cancel your pool. So this is one thing you need to be in mind, that this is not like a centralized platform which you can cancel, since you're interacting with smart contract. If you agree on something, you cannot change. Just like if you send a Bitcoin transaction, and you cannot like just regret and cancel your transaction, right? And once you acknowledge, the MetaMask will pop up. So there are 2 steps. The first step would basically you approve the transaction. Basically, you agree bounce contract to use to take token out of your contract. And in the activity section, you can track the progress and see the first step is done, and now we're in the second step. So simply click the activity section and go to contract approve, and now you can here approve for your pool. Once this approve is done, your pool will be successfully listed. And so let's see, let's wait and see. So the more gas fee you put, the faster the thing will proceed. So this is on testnet. Bear in mind, this is just for testing purpose, but on mainnet, you do want to check the each gas station to check what the current Ethereum gas limit is. So this auction is successfully published. So now let's go back and check. So if you look at here, I can see my pool is live, and let's see. So this is the pool information from the auctioneer view. You can see this is your token contract, and this are the information you listed, and this auction progress. So far, no one joins, and you will see the